A captive portal is the sign-in page guests see before they get online. On Ubiquiti UniFi, the access points and the UniFi network controller run the Wi-Fi, whilst Purple runs that portal and the first-party data behind it, without replacing any of your UniFi kit. Purple is a cloud overlay. Your UniFi network controller keeps running the Wi-Fi. Purple runs the guest experience through features UniFi already has. UniFi moves the packets and manages the radios. Purple owns the sign-in and the data. First, in UniFi's Hotspot Manager, you point the landing page at Purple instead of UniFi's built-in page. Second, Purple authorizes each guest by communicating with your UniFi network controller directly, using its public address and a dedicated controller login you create for the purpose. Third, UniFi's pre-authorization rules let the splash page and any payment or social login steps load before a visitor has signed in. The exact configuration lives in Purple's support guide. Start at purple.ai.